first thing we gotta do? We want to find a brittle starfish.
Get seaweed.
Where should the seaweed be?
In the water.
In the water. So we gotta look for a piece of seaweed.
I see seaweed over there.
Let's go get it. Okay, so we're gonna look closely to see if there's anything moving in here.
I see something.
And what is that?
A brittle star.
A brittle starfish.
Now I'm going to put it in my bucket of water.